All right, last video for today. Try to make this quick. I'm just finishing modifying the type. Now that it's a vector, it also keeps things from being too copy-pasty, right? Because typefaces only have one uppercase E. Even if I stretch it in different ways, it's still pretty recognizable. But for custom type, I want each of these to be slightly different. I'm paying attention to their spacing. Here's that A again. I want to thicken it. Whoops. Got to start on the path and end on the path. Start on the path and end on the path. And then the D. All right. Now, save this as an EPS. Remember, there's no white in this. It's just black type. Save to my computer as an EPS and put the type name in the file name. It's no longer a test. Confirm that it's where you want it to be. And I'm going to mark it purple. Okay, now that I have that, I can go back to my Photoshop poster. Can minimize Illustrator. And I'm going to bring in those EPS files right onto my poster. So dead first. That's the JPEG. Where's the EPS? There it is. So bring the EPS files in. They'll come in as smart objects. You're going to have to place them because they're going to center. But because we didn't modify the shape too much, they should place pretty nicely at the right scale, right where you design them. Then hit return. I'll bring in my other one. EPS. Bring it up. You can see my test files are almost adding a little drop shadow to them. That's kind of fun. But I'll place them directly. And then I am done with what we wanted to do for today to finish our black and white or our black text solution. So to upload that to Canvas, what I'm going to do is turn off everything except those vectors in the poster format. Maybe I'll leave the line art. It's up to you, just as long as you're showing me your vector black type. And I'll just make a quick screen grab of that. With the black edge of the poster so you can see the full format. And then save my poster layout. Now with vector line art for my spot illustration and vector type that I'll modify and clean up. And that's it. And then I'm going to post it. So next class we will do the coloring, both of the type and of the background of our posters. And play with some print modifications, adding texture, vintage effects. And that's everything. Right on time. All right. So of the components, of the 4 components that I asked you to post for this project, we have done the first 2. We've done the blocking sketch, and then we have finished our black vector type. So I'll label that. And then we're going to save our work.